Hi, I'm May Taylor. In this video, high conversion lead generation system for affiliate marketing. In a few moments, I will explain to you why it is important to set up a lead generation system if you want to make money long term from your affiliate marketing business. Lead generation system for affiliate marketing. A shocking fact, according to statistics, only 3% of customers are ready to buy, which means if you don't have a follow-up system in place, you will flush about 90% of revenue down the drain. When a customer landed on your page, it is your job to lead them from cold to warm to hot, which means through a customer journey, you need to warm them up from a cold lead to warm them up to get to know about your products. But finally, they turn to be a paid customer, which is to become hot lead. 3 ingredients for follow-up system, which is called a sales funnel system, consists of your landing page, your bridge page, and your vendor or product that you would like to promote. The first one, your landing page, you can offer them freebies, which is often called lead magnets. For example, you can offer them a free webinar, a PDF, ebook, a mini course, a coupon code, or a checklist. This is very simple to create. No need to invest a ton of money for a freebie for a lead magnet. The first ingredient is your autoresponder, which is you need to collect their email addresses, because don't forget that when they landed on your landing page, they just put in their name or their email address or just a simple email address to exchange for a lead magnet, and which is the why you need your autoresponder. The well-known are Aweber, ConvertKit, GetResponse, and MailChimp, and then other companies too. This is the first ingredient. And then I would recommend to set up about 5 to 10, but minimum is 3 emails to follow up to build relationship with your customers. You need to tell them about the products that you promoting to educate them. Money is in the follow-up. Number 1 affiliate marketing secret, in my opinion, is to build a relationship or to pre-sale, to warm up your customer. Second ingredient is your bridge page, to bridge between opt-in or a landing page and a product that you want to promote. And then I think that the video sales or video instruction about yourself and about the product you promote, that be really helpful, and then they can connect with you more, that you are a real person, not a fakeless organization. And then don't forget to add a big giant button below the video, which is called a single call to action, to tell them. You might say just quickly introduce yourself, about your name, and then just quickly about the product you promote, and the link, and then tell them that you would like to find out this product or to sign up about free webinar. Click the link below, and then you get a tracking link, go to the vendor or affiliate product that you wish to promote. And then that's how you make money. That gonna be very few percentage of people when they land on your bridge page after you introduce yourself and quickly talk about the product you promote, and then a customer click on the link and then they make a purchase. That gonna be a very small percentage, but majority of people probably gonna buy through email sequence or sales sequence, that you educate customers about the product that you would like to promote. This is where the money where you can make big money. And don't forget, when you set up the email automation, once it's run forever. So this is kind of like the sale machine for you. So I think this is really important, that you have a lead generation system in place, and also email automation, or what is called email marketing. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. Until next time, have yourself a good one.